Oh, so he said I had to get up at 4:30 in order to meet my fitness goals this year for 2012. I don't know if I can do this. It's really very, very cumbersome because I'm so tired and I really don't want to do this. I have to get into my workout clothes, but maybe I'll just go. Maybe I'll just go with, I can't even think, I'm so tired, rollers in my hair and the cream on my face. But he said in order to turn in from a swan to a beautiful lady, I've got to lose some weight. And if I lose this weight, then I can become very beautiful. So I'm off to Renaissance Fitness for my fitness routine every day at 5 a.m. I don't know if I can make it. I'm going to try. Definitely try.